Today, we are going to make our dolls a face mask. Take colored paper and cut into 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. Then take the white paper and cut into 2.5 inches by 1/2 inch. Remember to have 4 of the white strips. Next, make 3 or 4 folds on your color paper. Then, glue the white strips to the edges of the color paper. Cut 2 pieces of 6-inch elastic. And glue it to the edges. Your dolls can now stay nice and healthy. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting.